Halo guys, halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kembali lagi di channel saya Fikri Aunullah. Oke guys, hari ini kita kegiatan untuk di D2. Kita akan menjemput tamu ya dari Perput dari Belanda. Dan ini kita lagi di hotel, lagi menunggu mereka. Terus kegiatan di D1 kemarin mungkin awalnya mau diupload, tapi ceritanya karena pakai GoPro, karena GoPro kan berat kan mindainya, jadi nggak bisa diupload, lama lah prosesnya. Jadi kali ini kita bakal maksimalkan, kita menggunakan kamera biar kalian semua bisa lihat aktivitasnya, dan juga kayak siapa tahu ada sharing-sharing mau belajar nanti ya, bisa lah lihat, nonton di video ini. Oke, juga hari ini juga kita akan menggunakan bahasa Inggris ya, nanti akan ada seperti ujian Langlish lah bagi kami dan teman-teman semuanya. Oke, seperti apa kegiatan kita hari ini? Kita let's go. Good morning.
Good morning, Fikri. How are you doing?
Morning.
All good?
Ya, permission to activity vlog for my channel. Oke. Oke guys, kita akan kunjungan ke kebun ini. Tamunya sudah datang. Kita let's go.
Nice to meet you, sir. Halo,
Morgan.
Ini Vira, Cynthia, Dian, dan Hatta.
Tami. This is.
Dan Fikri. So they are the change maker from this area.
From this area.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yuk, let's go.
Udah ada pasulannya?
Sudah.
Every time. So I'm really curious to see the difference.
Maybe the difference is the tree grows
Yeah.
better than
Yeah. I remember planted. I was already see some first difference. Support tree?
Yes.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere, from up above and down below.
Nice to meet you again. Good to see you again. I was here last year as well. We met. Big difference. Much higher, huh?
Ya.
Much higher. Good morning.
Ini kebun kebunnya terlihat sangat amat berbeda.
Yes. So this is a big difference.
Nah, ini banyak banget perubahan dari yang sebelumnya.
Kabar baik, Pak.
Oh, Pak Bos. Bu Ira.
Hello, Florian. Nice to meet you. Hello.
So, Hagis, the one who own this land,
Florian.
who is going to
Which one?
do the talking?
Me again. Yes.
No?
Let's light up the sky.
Taught by the change maker, and yeah, you can see maybe you right now you see the agroforestry is not fully implemented. Not all the element is there, but then if you compare it with the conventional farmer, how they grow pepper is going to be different.
Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky.
Because if you see other farmers going to be only pepper.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, we
here you
saw
can see-
banana.
Yes, correct.
Ya,
It's one
papaya.
of the practice that we.
What else, Atan? What else?
Patchouli. Nilamnya mana, Pak? This is
nilam tu
one of his
tu nilam.
this is nilam.
Cover.
or since you was young until now, regarding the agriculture, regarding the area, what's the biggest thing?
Mas Amin yang jadi pemulihan.
Ya, perubahan
Ke kiri, Kang.
What do you mean what's the biggest?
The usage of stick and
It's so fresh, so sweet. You should be lucky.
Nah,
Are you live streaming?
no. Oke guys, kita kali ini tadi habis udah kunjungan ke kebun kakek Ismaili ya. Hari ini kita ke kebun Pak Agus. Kita lihat di sini ada mesin suling. Sulingnya dari stainless ya bahannya. Kita lihat seperti apa mesinnya. Let's go. Oke guys, kita udah sampai nih. Barang-barang tamu juga. Nah, di sini saya jelaskan dulu ya. Kita ke tamunya lagi. Oke, ini kita lihat pemirsa semuanya. Di sini kita perlu bahan bakar untuk mesin nyilam nih. Nah, ini dia mesin alirannya stainless. Nah, ini tempat untuk bakarnya dia. Ini kita lihat teman saya. Ini adalah tempat mesin pendingin untuk air nanti. Di sini juga ada tempat. Kita lihat ini ada gudangnya. Ini lihat karung yang udah dipanen, yang udah selesai dicacak, kemudian truk di sini.
Jadi sini deh.
Oke, siap, Bu. Ada Bu Cynthia yang menjelaskan.
Penampakan nilam yang udah dikeringin ya guys.
Nah,
Jadi cara pengeringannya gampang banget. Setelah panen itu dicacah halus, kemudian dijemur dalam 1 hari bisa 2-3 jam. Dan keringnya itu harus kering yang korek.
korek.
Ya, kering korek ya.
Kering
Tuh,
korek. Kering korek itu maksudnya apa itu?
nih.
Ada bunyi, crack. Oh, tuh, kering korek.
Untuk ukuran pencacahannya nggak boleh terlalu besar dan juga nggak boleh terlalu kecil karena bisa ngaruh ke kadar pacoli yang dihasilkan tadi.
Oke, siap. Terima kasih infonya Kakak. Mari kita ke tamu-tamu yang lain lagi.
Di skip aja yuk tadi.
Nah, gitu guys. Di sini ada yang menjelasin nilam. Dan di sini kita lihat nilam itu dipanen, kemudian dijemur seperti ini, dikat. Dan ini kalau bisa juga kita pasang jarak ya, jangan terlalu numpuk banget karena dia butuh rongganya tadi. Tuh, lihat banyak dari Bangka yang bukan dari Bangka, ini dari kebun beliau juga, tapi ada sebagian juga yang orang nyimpan di sini untuk disuling. Tuh, lihat.
Yang penting batangnya patah korek. Oh, yang penting
For the cooling process, it needs a lot of water.
Nah, itu ada Pak Gus yang pemiliknya.
Machinery, cooler climate.
Otherwise, it's going to mix the aroma.
Gus, ini Mas.
That's why we have only small one, so we can clean it easily.
And what other products are interesting for you to distill?
Jadi ini untuk naruh apa Bang? Iya.
Bukan, ini bahan.
Oh, bahan nilam tadi masuk sini. Iya. Yang 200 kilo ya nih muatannya. Oke. Oke guys, kita udah sampai di Kebun Damang. Kita ada barang Pira dan juga Pak Arif dan N-Gang. Oke, gitu aja dulu. Kita mau istirahat dulu bentar guys. Let's go. Guys, kita sekarang di Kebun Damang. Nih kita ke tempat yang pertama, ada di tempat pembibitan. Mungkin akan dijelaskan lebih detailnya dari Mas Eko. Oke, let's go.
This is nyelungkup variety. We can see in the leaf the apa ya? Cekung. Muncul. Maybe about 15 until 30. Yeah, more high.
And these are now ready to plant, right?
This is 2 months ago.
2 months.
Yeah.
How long? Another 2 months
Yeah,
to
another 2
plant.
months.
Ah,
In the kindergarten.
yeah.
What is your biggest threat here? From what you are scared for the plants? What can happen here for the plants? Come insects to eat them, or what is? I don't know. What is the threat? Can somebody translate?
Apa ya? Apa yang
Bagiannya ya?
bukan jadi kayak
hambatan.
threats.
Oh,
Jadi pikir juga apa ya?
Danger,
Ancaman. Ya, ancaman buat ini kayak serangga makan
Oh.
ini kah, ulat atau hama atau
Too hot, insects.
the apa ya? Hambatan terbesar weather.
Weather.
But
Rainfall.
we can control the weather, right?
Yeah.
So in Bangka, when hot, it's going very hot.
so it dies.
Yeah, this
It
dies.
dies.
Yes.
Even you come here with the water.
We must control the watering. But when they are terlalu basah,
If it is too wet,
when it's
it dies also.
die.
It also dies. Okay.
Yeah. So it's a balance.
Must balance.
Yeah.
So we are very hard to control the weather.
Yeah.
You have to use fungicides because fungi usually a big issue in nurseries. Fungus.
Ada masalah jamur kayak gitu nggak? Apa
Di
kalau
awal
bibit nggak?
we use trichoderma.
Okay.
Ah.
Trichoderma is in here.
Yeah, in media.
Oh, in the media.
In the media.
It's in
Trichoderma and compost. Biocompost.
Okay.
Nice.
And then we are use PGPR to increase the growth of pepper seedling. Yeah.
PGPR.
PGPR.
I believe that you also explain about it.
Yeah.
For the hormone of growth.
Yeah. Hormone of growth.
Boost that. Rizobacter.
Yeah.
To boost that.
So we are use full organic. We don't use inorganic.
You don't use anorganic.
No.
Nice.
We just use organic.
Nice.
Yeah.
Berapa banyak dosisnya kalau trichoderma sama
Dia kalau satu bukan per polio.
The process takes
Yeah, the process is
I
too
meet them next week in Jakarta. I tell them.
long. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How long exactly?
Lumayan lah, tergantung dari ini lah.
6
Karena
bulan?
ya, for the first we must prepare for the landscape. Setengah hektar tuh.
0.4 hektar.
0.5 hektar, and then we must plant the pepper, but the pepper is from green. So the genetic.
Oke guys, kita nih mau kunjungan lagi. Nextnya setelah dari pembibitan kita mau ke tempat pembuatan kompos. Ini bersama teman-teman. Kita let's go. Oke guys, kita ke tempat composting. Nih kita lihat pelangnya. Sini menuju area composting. Tertamanya ada bahan-bahan ya, hijauan. Ada bahan-bahan apa nih? Ya, biomasa. Cewek-cewek. Halo. Halo Ustaz. Oke, kita bentar lagi sampai.
Fiber. We have composition from fiber palm oil.
The palm oil weighs how long?
Oke. Sini kak, agak sini.
Oke guys, kita menuju ke area ketiga di demo plot. Nih kita lihat ada desainnya. Oke, nanti akan dijelasin oleh Sastatera. Mari kita let's go.
Demo plot, demonstration plot. So right now we have new manager, which is Pak Satera, replacing Evan. I already introduced him, so maybe he can explain in English or in Arabic. I will translate it in his bahasa.
Ya, with Arabic lah ya.
Bahasa Arab.
Then you translate.
هذه حديقتنا يعني كنت في حول أسبوعين أقوم بهذه الحديقة two weeks
2 weeks. You cleaned everything. So two weeks ago you started, and first thing you clean everything. You plant. In what cover plants? No, the cover plants for the floor. For the, you leave it around the trees. Okay. Like that.
What makes the
Like that. Okay.
Yeah.
even harder to manage.
It's there's too many innovations and execute.
Oh iya, pas pampres.
And we decided
It's not scalable, not applicable. Okay.
now the perspective of the farmer is really different.
Yeah.
It's more into the production because farmer needs
Tapi saya nggak boleh lama-lama
to make sure that it's farm
So they
producing.
don't die.
Dekat kah?
For us,
Boleh.
we would like to good,
They should carry the pepper.
you know,
Yeah.
research,
Yeah.
try new things.
Many things in there. I mean, in the inside, especially the product that we consume on our steak, and our food. So yeah, maybe we can go inside maybe, so we can see, and I will explain more. That I mean, we send to the Europe. It's from this. It's the peppercorn. I mean, like the berries. But it's not right. It's not right because it's not harvest season. Yeah, maybe it's 4 months, I guess.
When is harvest?
Maybe July and August. So that's like in here like happy harvest. It's like annual.
One time per year?
Yes,
Annually?
yes. But sometimes we can harvest like in February, March. Yeah, that happened because
Small harvest?
Huh?
Is that just the small harvest?
Yes, small harvest.
Later the big harvest.
Yes,
It's like with coffee.
same. Yes,
Same, huh?
it's same because it happened because the weather is not
Regular.
regular. Yeah, this plant needs stress water, so that's why they will bloom and flower. So and it's same like us. If we like in not good condition, we will prioritize our child. It's same the plant. So that's why we can eat this until now. Yeah. So anyway, from this peppercorn. The first thing we have to weigh it before we soak it in this drum. So the sign that pepper is right. It's like there is red berries, but it's not. It's just yellow berries, but it's not ready to harvest. Yeah, because if we harvest it. It's like the beans is like there is empty space in there, not like a hard, granule is not right. The density is not good.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then after we harvest it, we weighing it, and then we collect it in the sack. I mean like the sack, and then we tie it, and then we put this.
In water.
In the water.
Normal water.
Huh?
Normal water. Normal water. Tap water.
Yes.
Pure water. Fresh water.
But in the farmer, we need to the flow water. That's a good water for harvest. For the right after like the soak and to clean the skin of the pepper.
Okay.
Yeah. In the farmers maybe 10 days until 14 days in the river. In the river, we soak it. I mean, like we put it in the sack. We put it in the sack, and then they put it on the river, in the river, and sometimes someone stole it. Steal it, yeah. That easy. Yes. So yeah.
Happy harvest.
Yes. And this is water storage. It's used for our paper washing machine. It's paper washing machine. Yeah. After the paper soak 14 days.
14 days.
14 days.
14 days.
14 days. We leave it to this machine, and then we clean it with this machine, and then it's very easy to clean it when we use this machine. But sometimes our farmer not use this machine. Use this. Use this, and then they just put the pepper, and then they walk to the river, near the river. I mean, like the edge, that side. Then they are like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes their body will feel hot because the pepperine is spread out from the skin. Yeah, that is dedicated from the farmer to create the best pepper, the product that consume.
Is the water clean of the river?
Yes, the water clean, the clean water. That is the important, because if we use the dirt, I mean like not bad water, the pepper is not will. It's like the color is dark, not white.
Yeah.
So that's why it's called white pepper, not dark pepper. We sell it white pepper, not dark pepper. So that's why we try to approach the farmers to get good river, I mean good water. So that's why the product will be pricey. I mean in Europe, I mean in Germany, yeah. We are not selling. I mean we don't sell dark pepper.
So, question. Here you can control it. So you first put it in, soak it,
Yes.
then you rinse it, and then you put it in this machine.
Yes.
And then it's wet. Then you have to dry it again.
Yes.
You can control it here.
Yes.
Because you need, if it's too wet, I would assume it starts molding.
Yes.
So what about farmers? Do they properly dry it after, say, when they come back from the river? Or do you have problems with the...
From what I know, they do it traditionally, like traditionally. So from farmers' perspective, this is I would tell you that this is more advanced.
Yes.
This is
This is more
well
advanced.
built and well established. But with the farmer, sometimes they soak it in the deep in the forest, like in the forest, and then sometimes the water is not flowing. So yes, because they need to hide the location. They need to hide the location of the when they soak the white pepper. They need to hide it.
Because otherwise it got stolen.
So that's why.
Only their husband or their wife knows the location, or the other way around, or the child, or
Okay.
and then after that they will process it there. Yeah, so they peel it. They peel the skin, because for